Today we're going to be unboxing this 4-tier spice rack organizer, and I'm super excited because I've tried a few spice organizers before that looked great online, but they're kind of flimsy and fell apart in person. Right out of the box, everything is neatly packaged in this one. The metal pieces are sturdy, and the black finish gives it a clean, modern look. It doesn't feel cheap, which is always my first concern with organizers like this. Assembly straightforward, no complicated tools. I didn't actually need a tool at all. The tiers slide and adjust easily, and everything lines up without forcing parts into place. What I really like though is that this rack is adjustable in depth, which makes a big difference depending on where you're using it. You can set it up fully extended inside the cabinet first. This works great if you have deeper shelves. The 4 tiers make it easy to store everything at once, and you'll have no more digging behind bottles to find the paprika hiding in the back. Or you can adjust it to be a more compact setup for the countertop. It'll look clean and it won't take over the space. Perfect if you want your most used spices within reach, but it's still organized. The third option is split configuration. You can also slightly stagger the tiers to customize it for different bottle heights, which, let's be real, the majority of spices are all different sizes. This was helpful for taller seasoning bottles or oil containers. Once you load it up with the spices, you're going to immediately notice how much easier it is to grab what you need. Everything is visible, nothing gets lost in the back, and it feels stable even when fully stocked.